Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can make your bullet lipstick last longer. It's very easy and just two-step process. So without wasting much more time, let's get into it. First, take your favorite lip liner and line your lips. Here I am using Wet n Wild lip pencil in the shade Chestnut. After lining them, fill your lips with the same lip liner. Here we are creating a base for our lipstick, so it will help it to last longer, just like primer makes the foundation last longer. After that, take your favorite bullet lipstick. Here I am using this Manish Malhotra High Shine lipstick in the shade Vintage Wine. This is such a beautiful burgundy color. Instead of putting it directly, I will take a brush to apply it. This will give you more even application. After applying a thin coat with a brush, I'll take a lipstick and I'll dab it on my lips. To make it last more longer, put a tissue paper on your lips, take some loose powder on a brush and start dabbing it on your lips. Also, this will make sure that your lipstick won't bleed. After that, remove the tissue paper and look at that finish. It gives a really beautiful soft matte finish. So if you want to make your cream lipstick matte, you can use this tip. And that's it for this video. I hope you find this helpful. And if you like this tip, do not forget to hit that like button, comment down below and share this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.